That's it. Alright. Coming on. Alright, so we got to be really gentle with this guy.
Oh, yes.
One more here, bud.
Oh, I needed that. Oh, yeah.
Other side. Oh, good. One more here. Good.
Oh, good Lord. Woo! Yes.
Is there a better way?
Yes.
Better way?
Oh, my God. Oh, good Lord. Oh, good Lord. Oh, good.
Damn. Big ass shoulders here.
I was very proud of you of correcting my upper extremities, because I normally get some kind of pain after running a long distance run, you know, like 3-4 miles or something. I always feel something. I had no pain whatsoever.
So we got a couple ribs here. So we can do this rib adjustment. Lift up, push out like this. That was beautiful. Good, one more. Nice. Ooh.
Oh my God.
Holy smokes.
Oh.
Man. Wow.
That was a good one.
Jeez. Some nice decompression. Open up. Ooh, nice. Open up those joints.
Oh. Wow.
A little bit to the shoulders.
Oh.
Yep. Right there. Okay. Oh.
I love that.
Ooh.
Oh.
You here.
All right, all right.
Have you seen this one?
Now.
You've probably seen it.
Oh, yeah, I've seen this one.
Yeah. You're gonna love it. All right, my man. I'll try not to get the bicep too close to the face. Yep. I think I wore deodorant today.
That's it.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's very fresh.
It is. It is. Yep. It's all natural, organic. Just relax a little more. That got a little teeth in there.
Wow. Wow.
That got a big release in there.
Wow. Wow. That's incredible. It's a whole nother level. Thank you.
It is. It is. So I'm going to over-exaggerate here, but we have a neck that on x-ray kind of looks like this, where we have an apex on the left side. So what I'm going to do is we're going to do a lateral break on the left. I'm going to contact right in here, and without any rotation, just straight lateral flexion, I'm going to come in here, let that fall nice and easy. There you go. And I hold that for just a brief second to reset the body. Okay, future pro lacrosse player right here. Ooh, I'm just getting him to end range. Already got a nice little pop there. You ready, Vincent?
Yeah.
All right, buddy. Here we go. Where'd you feel that at?
Neck. Top neck.
Yeah.
Yeah.
A lot of pops?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hang on, let's get your neck in here. That's probably one of your best ones, actually.
Yeah.
Good. Just let that fall. Beautiful. Here, nice and easy. Woo! Man, bringing the heat. All right. Jeez. Man.
I knew there was going to be a difference because
Yeah.
that's my problem leg.
And I don't want you to have one short leg, you know? Yeah, we want two long legs. Yeah. You're going to see head massively tilted this way, which is to the right-hand side. So we're kind of looking like this. So what we're going to do is bring it back the other way. We come in here, we're going to lift with the right side. We come right in here. Good. You're going to let that fall, and you're going to really let that head fall all the way into my hand.
Wow. All the adjustments this week, that was the most intense one,
Dude,
without a doubt. That was
Save the best
gnarly.
for last, you know, I know.
Jeez.
Grand finale, can't let
Wow,
you go.
that's amazing. Thank you very much.
Here we go. Good. So we're gonna scoop it in.
Oh. Whoa.
I know.
That was intense.
That was intense.
Dave's been off for a few weeks.
You did that, yep. And one thing with this patient, we're just getting extra heart palpitations, just kind of like feeling the heart's racing, not feeling great. So we know that the cardiac and respiratory centers of the body are in the upper brainstem. So we're going to do this adjustment both sides here. Just going to bring in this area like this.
Oh my gosh. Ooh.
And so just taking pressure off this area, it's like this immediate relaxation of the body, also lowers blood pressure. All right, we got my favorite 5th grader named Lily in the building. Wait, your actual name is Madam Secretary, huh? I'm sorry. Yeah, my bad. She is secretary of the school. She loves her neck being adjusted. Ooh. Yeah. Keeps you up straight, holding those backpacks all day. All your big textbooks. Are you shy? Yeah. Oh, don't be shy. All right, just one more. You got one right in this lower neck here. This is a big one, Lily. Just let that head fall, okay?
Oh!
That was it right there.
It was.
Man,
What is a snap, crackle,
snap, crackle, pop. What cereal is that? Rice Krispies?
Mm-hmm.
That was good. Here we go. All right. Here we go.
Oh. Oh gosh.
Ooh. Sweet
That was
baby.
good.
Jesus. Man. Getting low here, bud.
Oh God.
Yes, sir. Man, that's beautiful.
Mm-hmm.
It's just beautiful. I don't even know.
Every time.
I don't even know what else to say. Man. Great model. Great model. We got my Tongan brother, right? Back by popular demand.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh.
Jeez.
Oh.
Let me just. All right.
Oh.
You good? You good? You good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Yeah.
Ah! Fuck. Oh. Yeah. Yeah, that was it right there.
Yeah. All the way to the butt.
Oh man, all the way down.
Yeah, I tried to strap his legs in, you know, as you can see. Yeah, you lift that luggage all day.
Oh man.
All right. Here we go.
Oh my gosh.
Let's try. Yeah. 'Cause. Eyes in you.
Oh! 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 Oh!